Nala, you take it at me.
Itu mah. Non ke.
Oh, dah. Nah, tunggu apa? Dai. Nah. Dah.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And
we are waiting for our brothers. So this is a view of Umiam Lake. There are more views if you go up towards Shillong, but here is one point. It's a beautiful lake and the water is also very clean. It's in Parapani. So if you happen to visit Shillong for the first time, you can just get down here in Parapani and relax and view this beautiful side of Umiam Lake. तो बस यही तो यहाँ से हम लोग निकलेंगे. We'll have breakfast. We still didn't have breakfast at Nongpo, so we're just waiting for our brothers. There are 2 more cars behind us, and once they reach, then we'll have breakfast together, and then we'll head towards East Jaintia. East Jaintia, yes.
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Finally, we got one shop for breakfast. I don't know, all the shops are closed. Oh, look at people just take long lots. Wow! Musura ke oh. Nala planning. Open ang hai. Wow, pork na. Hello. Oh, mahal lagi. Aloo chutney, chicken, bhaji. Nita rice.
Chutney.
It's a pork platter and I'm going to have this. Also I have this puri sabji. I have this aloo pitika and chutney, and this is dry fish chutney. Kau cuma sama nempo pen mah.
Cuma sih. Nempu jadi cuma.
Nempo chutney. Ambil coba kan? Sabji. ticket counter. Okay, for adults it's 50, children is 30, and if you take life jacket it's 50, and boating facilities also there, it's 200 rupees. So I think so just a 100-meter walk away from the parking lot to the waterfall. Photo kali video dah mama. And if you happen to bring some eatable things and all, take your chips packets and all, or water bottles, any traces, please throw. They have अच्छा से बनाया हुआ है, use me. So you can throw it here. Do not litter anywhere. I mean, it's not nice to pollute the place. तो सीढ़िया से उतरते समय अगर आप थक जाते हो तो यहाँ पे बैठने की जगह भी है, तो you can take rest and walk. So here you get a viewpoint of the waterfall, I guess. Let's see. देखते हैं क्या है. ये मेरे भैया और मेरे नीस. OMG! My goodness! Wow! क्या बात है. Florlin, hi. Oh, kilang ni. Wow! So this is a view from the top of Krangsuri waterfalls. Wow! It's quite dense, and did you see that? That is the waterfall. So we'll get down there and see. I'll show you more videos of the waterfall. सीढ़ी उतर के जाना है, मतलब तो it's not steep, ज़्यादा steep नहीं है. When the rock is very solid, so it's not slippery either, so you can walk easily. Even our children can come, I guess. So finally we reached the waterfall. और बारिश के वजह से काफ़ी पानी का जो कारण है बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. यहाँ पे स्विमिंग का फैसिलिटीज़ भी है. If you want to swim, you can take a life jacket and then you can swim. But I think so they are not permitting now because it's raining and water level has increased. So waterfall view from here, quite mesmerizing, and not much people because it's rain and for boating, or if you do swimming, you get this life jackets. Just for, I don't know what price it is. आज swimming बंद है? क्यों बंद है? बारिश की वजह से? हाँ? नहीं तो swim कर सकता था ना? I guess there are campsite here, so if you want to pitch your tent, I think so this is the place where you can pitch your tent and enjoy the view.